Welcome back to my new video, guys. Here with me is a Infinix Smart 5, as you can see. So now we are going to remove this phone from FRP. The phone was stuck on FRP, so we are going to follow it step by step and remove it from the FRP without using PC. So with the help of your Wi-Fi, only Wi-Fi, you are not using SIM card, you are not going to any setting at all, you are not installing any app on it. All you need to do now is to follow my step. Let's drive into the video and fix it together. So the number one thing you need to do is just to proceed. Let's proceed. Let me show you how the FRP is. Number one thing now is for you to connect your network. Let me connect to my network. Alright, I'm done with the network, so let's continue now. Click on don't copy. As you can see, the phone was on passcode. It says verify password. If you next it will say wrong password. Even if you try Google account, it won't work. So the best thing for you to do, if you don't have a laptop, follow my step now. You go back, change this, you're going to change this language, remove it from English, bring it down to this one here, then continue. Alright, when you get to this place now, click on this plus sign here. Then you long press this circle net. Go to this option. Click on this. Then come to this one. As you can see, you check on this arrow. This language is not your language. If you are in English, you can't understand this language. So what you do is count from here. 1, 2. Sorry. So you can see this one is 1, 2. This one is 3. Come to this number 4. Click on it. Then click on these 3 dots. Choose this one. So what you do now is you're going to switch this keyboard to English. Long press it again and select this center one. You have switched to English. So what you type now is type disable Android. As you can see, it has been. So click on it. So it will show you different options. Some phones can show you more than these options, but since it don't show you more than this, then you click on this fix problem with Google Gboard. Sorry, click on it. Then don't go anywhere again. Click on this share button here. Click on it. Select any browser. If it show you Chrome or this Infinix browser, then you click on it. Since it show you Infinix browser, now click on the Infinix browser. But if you want to show you Chrome, then you make sure you check the Chrome. So here now you come here and type bypass APK. Bypass APK. Search for it. Alright, follow me carefully, guys. You scroll down again. You haven't seen the option, so search for more again. You go. Look at the option you are going to take. You click on this option. Wait for it to load. Alright, it have load. So don't go any setting. Okay, I told you we are not going to use any setting. So what you do, the simplest way to remove the FRP now is for you to set this lock screen. Click on this lock screen. As you can see now, you can set your pattern, your password, and your pin. So I prefer pin. So now you can change your pass pin. I choose 1122. So alright, the pin I've set. So what you do next now is continue going to back. Go back. Don't go anywhere. Just go back now and change the language back to English. We are done with the FRP already. So if you follow my step, that's going to do it without your laptop. Remember, this work is only for educational purpose. Okay, I didn't say you go and do something negative so that you using my video to solve it. Okay, so let's change it back to English. As you can see, it's already in English. So go from to now. You forward. Sorry, let me take it back to Algeria. See, the network is connected, so it won't drive you forward and this. So you need to forget the network, then reconnect again so that you have access to move on. Alright, let's see. As you can see now, I have access to move on now. Then you continue. Click on don't copy. Alright, now they say verify pin. Earlier, if you check very well, it shows verify password, but now I've already changed it from the password to the pin that I set. So I'm going to click use the pin that I choose earlier there, which is 1122. So let's try it and see. 1122. Then you click next. Boom, is work. That is the easiest way you're going to remove FRP for such phone. This is Infinix Smart 5. Okay, guys, don't forget, don't use it for illegal purpose, please. I'm begging you. Can you see now? Now you can skip the Google account. Bam, we are done, guys. If it is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you drop your comment and share the video. Okay, we are done with the work. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, okay? Share the video so that you will let the YouTube algorithm knows that what I did just helped you, okay? As you can see now, the FRP is gone. Thank you, guys. Infinix Smart 5, don't forget. Thank you for subscribing and watching again.